Want to see him jump, Mom?
Sure.
Cutter boy.
Cutter boy. That's a good boy.
Come here. Don't
Hi,
bite.
Suki.
Don't bite, bud. My hands are cold. Cutter boy.
There's Toad.
Oh, good boy.
I wanted you and Toad side by side like you were earlier to show a big comparison. Meg.
Whoa. Mama's falling.
Is it?
Yeah. Watch this.
Oh, I don't want to be anywhere near it. There's a pot under there, so watch out.
Oh. Ow.
Mm.
Oh. Perfect.
I'm telling you, don't.
Yeah.
No. Okay.
Fall?
Some of it. Oh, Meg fell
Oh,
over.
that's good, Connor.
Aw, way to go, Connor. Meg fell over in the snow.
No, I don't want to do it. Mom, videotape it. Woo! Can I do it?
No, not tall.
Oh.
Your ball's still up there, Jim.